Oh my God, I had to do a video of this amazing pink paradise tea. You guys, it is amazing. So, I've got my teapot here. Take the lid off. Hot water. It is so good. Oh, it smells amazing. Just pour it right into the steeper. It's got pink sugar pearls in it, so I won't even have to add anything else to it. I am a tea lover, so I always add 3 scoops. Make sure that's down in there. My water was a little high this time. Gonna put that on and let it steep. So now that I've sped up some time, let's go ahead and give it a pour. Y'all, this stuff smells amazing. And it's a wonderful, rich herbal color. This is not a black tea, so it is not going to be as dark as black teas are. But let's give it a go. I don't even need sugar, I bet. It is delicious. No sugar needed. You can taste the hibiscus and the lemon. It is perfect. I encourage everybody to run out and get some.